All right, today has been a tree explosion, a cultural just mayhem in my place here, and you know what? Hey, trying to keep everyone happy because their eldest boy, they need to know what's going on and what I've promised them. So I'm wearing my Asante scarf today. As you notice, it's different from the Ghanaian scarf. You know, gold, black, and green. Gold for the minerals, the gold, the golden stool, and the wealth of the Asante Nation. Black for the people, the strength and unity and the deep-rooted culture which still stands today globally. And green for the lush rainforest, vegetation, and as we say, God's lands that supplies the foods and everything needed for the Asante Nation, which is very important, you know, when it comes to proper eating. But, and also we have, you know, got a little bit of beads on, you know, a little bit of fun, you know, here and there. But the main reason for today, it's not that. It's about the days of the week, because, you know, I need to make sure my tree keeps climbing. Okay, so days of the week, Monday through Sunday. Here we go. Roll with me. Have fun with me. I may make a mistake. I may correct myself. So be it. But here we go. Monday, kind of like a song. Juada, who, benada, who, quada, who, yeah, wada. Yeah, that was my brother's Ghanaian name, so I'll never forget that one. Afiada, the only one that has an F in it, can't forget that. Maminada, Saturday, whoo, and the last one, Kwasiada, yay! Look at that, all right, you see that, see? You know what I mean? This is how we gotta do it, you know, we got... That's joy. Fellas, listen, gotta work hard. I'm trying here. Feel free to comment, throw your input. Hey, we all can't be perfect, but we can certainly try. I promise, family. Here we are again. This is different from the Ghana colors. This is the Ashanti Nation colors. And yeah, a little bit of beads, all from home. And yeah, at the end of the day, man, look, you know, when you get stuff done, you got to put some time into it. And that's what I'm doing, you know. I mean, life's short. And yeah, I might have started a little late, but hey, I'm here. And I'm going to fast forward to learning and speaking Twi fluently, as I promised my dad. All right. Bye-bye.